I'm going to go up into the beer garden bit today, and I'm going to dig out a border down one side, and I'm going to pop in a load of these dwarf sunflowers. So rather than potting them on into big containers, because we've got some good weather coming, I might as well bang these straight into the ground and take advantage of that and see if it can force some more growth. So we'll go up and have a look at that area, and I'll show you whereabouts I'm going to be digging. So this is where we're going to dig it out. Along this edge, a border similar to that one. And we're going to go all the way down and plant these little dwarf sunflowers all the way to end of this fence. And then on the other side we'll be digging out another trench, and I'm going to fill that with a row of sweet corn. But for now we need to get this bit dug out. We're getting there. So we've got that done. Didn't take too long. We just now need to go down it and loosen this compost up a bit. These come in handy for that. So now we've got that all dug out and loosened up that soil, we can start and get these plants put in, and we need to space them 6 to 8 inches apart to allow for the foliage to grow. So we've got a little stake to keep them evenly spaced, and then we'll be using this to make the holes, because that makes life so much easier. And there's a link in the description to get one of these if you want one. So we'll just make an hole right at edge, and then we'll get this little plant out. And for a little plant, it's got a lot of roots, so we'll just rough those up a little bit, and then we'll pop it straight in. Make sure you firm these down, and then we'll mark for his next one, which is going to be there. So again, straight in and make it nice and firm. So that's a few in. So we'll just carry on now until we get to end. So that's all those in, and in total we put 25 in. So now we'll just add a bit of fertiliser to get these plants going. Now we just need to water them in. So that's another nice little addition to that beer garden. Sunspot dwarf sunflowers. If you want some of these, I'll leave a link in the description for seeds. And we had to leave 6 inches between each plant just to allow for these leaves to spread as they're growing, and the plants will grow to a maximum height of 2 feet, but the flower head will be 10 inches across. So I think the fact that we've just put 25 of those in there at 6-inch spacing all the way along that border, I think that in summer is going to make for a really good display, and it was easy to do. So thanks for watching that update today, and if you want to see more of what we do up there and in Container Garden as we go through here, then just hit that subscribe button and press the notifications bell, and we'll see you all next time. Have a nice weekend.